What's up? I got a quick question for y'all. Do you have a GoXLR and you want a simple way to get separate audio mix for your recordings and your streams? Let's get it. Hi, I'm Staxologist, and I have a solution for your recording needs. So most of you know that with the GoXLR, you have a broadcast stream mix that compiles all your audio that you set in your routing table and spits it out on stream. And if you're like me, you like to play music on your stream, but you also like to make clips of big plays or funny moments. I have plenty. However, I don't like music in my clips that I edit in order to make montages for YouTube and other things. So if you feel like I do, good. I got a solution right there in front of your face. Yes, we're talking about line out. So basically, just like the broadcast stream mix, you can set up the line out section of your routing table and use that for your actual recording. Well, how do I do that, Stacks? I'm glad you asked. So the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna plug a 3.5mm aux cable to the line out jack in the back of your GoXLR, one like this. You're gonna plug the other end into the line in jack on your PC. And make sure that the cable is actually long enough to accommodate your setup. Next thing you want to do is open up the GoXLR software and navigate to the routing tab. In the line out section, you want to activate each source that you would like to output into your recording audio mix. For example, since I don't want music in my recording, I'll deselect music from the routing table. Make sure to save your profile after each of these changes so that you'll keep your settings. Now in OBS, you want to go to General Settings, and in the Output tab, set your streaming recording to different audio tracks. For example, you want to set your streaming to track 1 and your recording to track 2. Click Apply and then go to the Audio tab. You'll most likely have the broadcast stream mix already set up for your mic auxiliary audio input. So go ahead and select the drop-down menu for the second mic audio input and set whatever your computer's line-in audio input is. For most people, it'll be Realtek. Once you select that, go ahead and hit apply and click OK. Now you're going to see the line in mix in your audio mixer right below your GoXLR broadcast mix. You can actually rename the sources if you want by right-clicking the cogwheel and selecting rename. Now once you do that, you can go ahead and right-click the cogwheel again for the line mix and select advanced audio properties. So where you see your line mix, you're going to select whichever audio track you set up for recording in your settings. Make sure the broadcast stream mix is not on the same channel as the recording audio track. After that, you'll click close and then you're done. So we do have a couple of disclaimers I want to just cover real quick. The first one is that you want to make sure that all your other audio sources within OBS are routed to correct channels. For example, if you put audio inside OBS, you want to make sure that the correct audio channels are selected. Otherwise, you will still end up with music in your recording unintentionally. Second, the routing will follow the table set in the GoXLR app. So if you uncheck music, but you have an iTunes, for example, and your iTunes is still set up to desktop audio, it will still play in your recording. So make sure that in your computer settings, you select everything that you want to run through your audio faders to your audio section. This applies to any other fader or any other audio source as well. Third, to my knowledge, this will only work with a 1 PC setup or a 2 PC setup with NDI being used. As for a traditional 2 PC setup, you're going to be using both the line in and the line out inputs for your game audio. So thanks for watching this video. If this helped anyone or you have any comments about anything I said in the video, please don't hesitate to drop those thoughts in the comments below. And also, if you have ideas on what I can make a video about, drop those in the comments as well. You know what I'm saying? If you like this video, please click that like button and let me know you enjoyed it. I'll be dropping videos every Tuesday at around 11 a.m. So slap that sub button and the notification bell to notify you the second that they drop. I do stream on Saturdays on Twitch from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. and we know how to party. So what are you doing? Come hang out and follow me on Twitch and get notified when the party begins. Get in there. Also, my Twitter and Discord links are in the description below if you would like to stay updated with any sort of upcoming content and highlights. Those are updated very frequently, so if you want to get in contact with me, this is one of the best ways to do so as well. So be sure to click those links and follow me on those socials as well. And as always, I am nothing without you and extremely grateful for your support. That being said, action does speak louder than words, and since I talk loud, my moves are about to be huge. All right, y'all. I'll catch y'all in the next video. Bye. This is hilarious. Guys.